Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. How are you all? Are you excited, grade 4 students? Yes, I know you are very excited because today we have to start a new lesson in our science class. But before starting our new chapter and then before telling you the name of this chapter, I would like to ask you few questions, grade 4 students. So are you ready? Okay, that's great. So grade 4 students, what do you see when you look up at the night in the sky? Good, few different kind of stars and a few lights, very good. So millions of shiny objects spread all across the sky. Do you know what they are? जब हम आसमान की तरफ देख रहे होते हैं तो हमें बहुत मुख्तलिफ किस्म की चीज़ें क्या क्या नज़र आ रहा होता है? मून, गुड, और स्टार्स, और आपको पता है कि इन दो चीज़ों के अलावा भी बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं। नहीं, चलें कोई बात नहीं। हाँ, आपको मालूम है, गुड, डिफरेंट प्लैनेट्स भी हैं, लेकिन आपको पता है, आप आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते हैं? चलें, गुड। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो इसी चीज़ से रिलेटेड है और इस चैप्टर में आई एम श्योर कि हम बहुत कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं, क्योंकि इस चैप्टर का नाम है अर्थ्स प्लेस इन द यूनिवर्स। Earth's place in the universe. So as you know that our Earth is a planet and we have different planets as well. So the chapter name is Earth's place in the universe and this is our chapter number 13. So grade 4 students, you know that we always start a new chapter with new terminologies. And you know the way. I will tell you the terms 3 times, I will speak the term 3 times, and then you have to repeat the same terms with me 2 times. So this is called 3-2 method. So I have selected 5 different new terminologies in this chapter. So are you ready, guys? Okay, and the chapter name is Earth's place in the universe. In this chapter, our first terminology is solar system. Solar system. Solar system. Now repeat it with me. Solar system. Solar system. Okay. The next terminology is asteroid. 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 Now repeat it with me. Asteroid. Asteroid. Our next terminology is orbit. 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 Now repeat it with me. Orbit. Orbit. Our next terminology is comets. 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 Now repeat it with me. Comets. Comets. Our fourth term is gravity. 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 Now repeat it with me. Gravity. Gravity. Our next terminology is Milky Way. Milky Way. Milky Way. Now repeat it with me. Milky Way. Milky Way. So now I am going to explain you all the terminologies and we are going to show you the pictures also. So our first terminology is solar system. Let me explain you what is solar system. The sun and the group of planets that move around it is called solar system. The sun and the group of planets that move around it is called solar system. Now the next term is asteroid. So what are the definition of this term? One of many large rocks that circle the sun is called asteroid. Our next terminology is orbit. The curved path through which objects in space move around a planet or star is called orbit. Now grade 4 students, we are moving on the next terminology and the next term is comets. So what are comets? An object that moves around the sun, usually at a great distance from it, that is seen on rare occasions from the earth as a bright line in the sky is called comets. So now we are moving on the next one. Gravity. The force that attracts objects towards one another, especially the force that makes things fall to the ground, is called gravity. And the last term is Milky Way. So what are Milky Way? The galaxy that includes the Earth seen at night is called Milky Way. So grade 4 students, these are new terminologies and all the explanation with the pictures. Now I'm going to tell you about your today's home assignment. So grade 4 students, you have to watch and listen this video again and again at least 2 times. Then you have to write all the new terminologies with the explanation in your homework copies, and then you have to submit this homework to your grade 4 teachers. So tomorrow I'm going to tell you the story of this chapter, and the chapter name is Earth's Place in the Universe. Till tomorrow, take care. Allah Hafiz.